The evolutionary perspective.
What is the evolutionary perspective?
Definition. The evolutionary perspective focuses on the biological basis of the universal mental characteristics that all humans share. It looks at the way the mind works and why it works as it does. Behavior is seen as an adaptive or survival value.
This perspective was founded by Charles Darwin and his theory of natural selection in the 19th century. This perspective relates to the way that cognitive behavior goes through processes of natural selection just as the human body does.
Natural selection. Natural selection is a process by which organisms better adapted to their environment tend to survive and produce more offspring. Natural selection leads to evolutionary change when individuals with certain characteristics have a higher survival rate than other individuals in the same population and pass on these genetic characteristics to their offspring.
Memory, language, and perception. These traits have evolved over time due to the relevancy of skills.
Memory. In the Neanderthal era, semantic knowledge was limited to that of what your tribe knew. Those close to water were unable to build igloos, and those in the mountains could not build fishing poles. In 11,000 BC, a man's job was as a hunter. He needed to know those skills and did not need to expand his knowledge or brain. In the 2000s, a man is educated and is able to learn more and accomplish more.
Language. In the Neanderthal era, communication skills were severely lacking, not only with each other, but with the peoples of other regions. As the modern brain developed, sounds of grunts shifted into words and phrases, eventually written text.
Perception. Example of perception. In 11,000 BC, a woman looking for a mate would look for characteristics of strength and courage, whereas those are no longer needed today.
Evolutionary perspective and emotions.
Emotions. Behavior evolved over time as the result of natural selection.
An example of this is with fear. People fear because they were once in certain situations where they felt threatened, resulting in their fear. This could be connected with the fact that humans once could have been prey, but in part this is why people developed fear. Thank you.